The ONG's LED USB clock fan is a unique and functional gadget that combines a fan with a real-time LED clock display. Simply plug it into any USB port and the fan blades spin to reveal the current time in a bright, easy-to-read format. It's perfect for keeping cool while working at your desk and also serves as a stylish and practical clock. The flexible neck allows for easy positioning, and it's a great conversation piece or gift for tech enthusiasts. The luminous finger hand spinner ball is a mesmerizing toy combining the fun of a fidget spinner with the captivating glow of LED lights. Its spherical design allows for smooth, multi-directional spinning, making it perfect for stress relief and focus enhancement. The LED lights create a dazzling light show, especially in the dark, adding a playful and visually appealing element. Compact and portable, it's great for on-the-go entertainment, suitable for both kids and adults seeking a unique sensory experience. The Ihuanyo adjustable under-desk footrest is designed to enhance comfort and ergonomics for those who spend extended hours at their desks. It features adjustable height settings to suit various needs, promoting better posture and reducing strain on the legs and lower back. The footrest has a textured surface for improved foot grip and massage-like stimulation. Its sturdy construction ensures durability, while its compact design allows it to fit neatly under any desk. Ideal for both home and office use, this footrest is a practical addition to any workspace, enhancing overall comfort and productivity. The Willock multi-tool hammer is the ultimate dad gift, combining functionality and convenience in one compact tool. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts, it features a hammer, pliers, knife, saw, screwdrivers, and more, all made from durable stainless steel. This versatile gadget is ideal for tackling a range of tasks at home or on the go. With its sleek design and practical use, the Willock multi-tool hammer is a thoughtful and essential gift for any dad who loves to fix, build, or tinker. The Ember Tumbler Temperature Control Travel Mug is a sleek stainless steel mug designed to keep your beverages at the perfect temperature. It features precise temperature control, allowing you to set and maintain your desired drink temperature for up to 3 hours on the go or all day with the included charging coaster. The mug is app-controlled, easy to clean, and offers a leak-proof lid, making it ideal for busy lifestyles. Enjoy your coffee or tea just the way you like it wherever you are.